everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today let's talk about something super common, something many of us notice in the mirror, but rarely discussed openly, a darker upper lip. It's a very normal skin condition, and we're here to shed some light on it. It's when the skin above your lip looks deeper or more pigmented than the rest of your mouth. You might notice it more in certain lighting, or when comparing it to your lower lip. This is totally normal and happens for a bunch of reasons. Mainly, it's a result of how our skin reacts to different factors: sun exposure, genetics, and sometimes hormones or irritation from things like waxing or other hair removal methods. These can all stimulate pigment production. The sun is a big culprit. It's constantly bombarding our skin with UV rays. Your skin produces extra melanin to protect itself, acting like a natural sunscreen, which can lead to hyperpigmentation right above your lip, as this area is particularly sensitive and often exposed. Genetics play a huge role too. If your family has it, you probably will too. It's simply part of your inherited skin type. Hormonal changes, certain medications, or even frequent lip licking can also darken the area, as saliva can sometimes irritate the skin. The good news, it's not a flaw, just a natural variation. It's part of what makes you, you. If you want to even things out for makeup, there are easy tricks to help. And remember, it's all about enhancing your natural beauty, not masking it. Let's dive into a simple way to create a smooth, even-toned canvas for your favorite lip looks. We'll show you some easy techniques. Ready? Let's get started. We're excited to share these tips with you. Want to make your lipstick truly stand out? Here's a quick game-changing trick that will elevate your lip game. It's designed to neutralize any darkness on your upper lip, which can often distort the true color of your lipstick. This ensures that your lipstick will pop with vibrancy and accuracy. The secret weapon? Grab a warm, peachy, or orange-toned nude lip liner. These shades are your best friends for achieving a flawless lip look. The reason these shades work so well is because they effectively cancel out dark, cool tones that might be present on your upper lip, creating an even canvas. Now take that peachy or orange-toned liner and carefully outline your upper lip. Then, lightly fill in your upper lip completely with the liner, creating a base layer. Once you've filled in your upper lip, gently blend the liner with your finger. This step is crucial for a smooth application. This blending action ensures a seamless, natural look, preventing any harsh lines and creating a soft, diffused effect. By using the liner in this way, you're essentially creating a neutral base on your upper lip. This ensures that your lipstick looks vibrant and even on both lips, eliminating any color discrepancies between your upper and lower lip. With your neutral base in place now, apply your favorite lipstick or gloss as usual, without worrying about uneven color payoff. You'll immediately notice the color looks true to the shade in the tube and matches your lower lip perfectly, giving you a harmonious and balanced lip look. The peachy liner acts as both a primer, providing a smooth surface for your lipstick, and a color corrector, neutralizing any unwanted tones. And the best part? No cakey layers needed. It's a lightweight solution for a flawless finish. It's fast, easy to incorporate into your routine, and makes a huge difference in the overall appearance of your lipstick. Try it once, and you'll never skip this step again. It's a game changer that will become an essential part of your makeup routine. Achieve professional results in under a minute. It's a quick and easy way to enhance your lip look. Now that you know the secret to even lips, let's talk about picking the perfect shade of lip liner for your skin tone next. And now that you've mastered the technique and you're feeling confident in your application skills, let's dive into the exciting world of color and pick the best lip colors to complement your unique features and style. Warm-toned shades, think terracotta, those earthy, sun-baked hues, rosy pinks, reminiscent of blooming flowers in spring, corals, like the vibrant reefs beneath the ocean's surface, and spicy reds, work beautifully with your new base, enhancing your natural warmth and radiance. Avoid cool, ashy, or pale nudes, which can sometimes make any darkness stand out, creating an unwanted contrast. Instead, choose nudes with peach, offering a touch of warmth, caramel, or warm beige undertones, providing a subtle, flattering effect. These warmer nudes will give you a natural, bright look, perfect for everyday wear. For bold days when you want to make a statement, try a warm orange-based red, or a berry shade with raspberry or magenta tones, adding a pop of color and sophistication. The key is rich, saturated color, ensuring your lips look full and defined. This will give you full coverage and a smooth finish, enhancing the overall look. Always test shades in natural light to see their true effect, as artificial lighting can sometimes distort the color. Play with gloss or satin finishes, experimenting with different textures and effects. This will give your lips extra dimension, making them appear fuller and more luscious. Most importantly, pick what makes you feel amazing. Makeup is about self-expression and embracing your unique beauty. Let's wrap up with some quick lip care tips to keep your pout in perfect condition. Healthy, well-cared-for lips are truly the best base for any makeup look you desire. Exfoliate gently once or twice a week with a simple DIY sugar and coconut oil scrub to keep lips smooth and supple. Moisturize every single night with a nourishing balm or a hydrating mask. Look for ingredients like shea butter or vitamin E. During the day, always use a lip balm with SPF to prevent any further darkening or sun damage. Remember, a darker upper lip is a completely natural and beautiful trait shared proudly by millions of people. Some days you'll definitely want a bold, even-toned lip. Other days you can just gloss and go. Both looks are absolutely gorgeous. Have fun experimenting with different colors and application techniques. Ultimately, your confidence is truly your best accessory. Makeup is just a tool to enhance, but your smile is already perfect as it is. So pucker up those lips and own it with pride.